How to create Gmail account without phone number verification. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch any browser that you have on a device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome and simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now search for create Gmail account over here. So let's search for create Gmail account option. As you do that, you get to see the very first option. So let's select on create Gmail account. And here you can see different options. So let's tap on create an account. As you tap on create an account, what you can simply do is, let's just go back over here and tap on the three dotted lines and select on the desktop side. Now tap on the option of create account over here. And as you tap on create an account, it will lead us to a new page. Now here you can simply select on your profile icon at the top right corner, select on add another account. And as you tap on add another account, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to create a new account of Gmail over here on your device. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now, while the information is being checked on, you just have to wait for a while and simply tap on create account. Tap on for my personal use. Select on the first name. So I'm going to simply just enter the name and then tap on next. Enter your date of birth. So it's a very random one. Then select on gender and tap on next. So let's just select on the date and then tap on next. And as you do that, it will provide us the Gmail address that you can select from the given one suggested by the Gmail itself, or you can create your own. I'm going to select the one suggested by Gmail for now and then tap on next. Now you just have to create a password over here. So as you create the password, you can simply tap on next again. And as you do that, you have created your account. Simply tap on next and you'll be able to create Gmail account without phone number verification. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.